Hey, what's going on? This is Marvin Cummings, and let me take a minute and I decided to go ahead and create me an intro video. I've been creating some videos for some of the projects that I've been working on, like more like instructional videos, kind of like walkthrough videos. And what I realized I haven't done is I haven't done any vlogging for my new website. So what I need to do, that's a whole different animal. But I'm realizing that, you know, being on video is a whole different animal. It's one thing to create walkthrough videos, but it's another thing when you have to kind of like follow a script, or you know, you have to kind of like deliver some type of I guess information. I have a tendency to drift. I didn't realize that I have a tendency to drift when you're creating videos. I kind of like drift off topic and I just babble on about shit and I don't really stay focused. So what I decided to do is just create me a little script here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make this into like my first post. You know, truth be told, I really hate being in front of a camera. I hate shooting videos, but everything that I'm doing requires me to be in front of a camera, so I really don't have a choice right now. So the most important thing that I have to realize about myself is that I got to have a script. I need to have a script. You know, if it's something that I'm very thorough in knowledge-wise, then yeah, I'm cool. I can kind of like, I can swing that. But if I have to just kind of like come off the top, oh, it sucks. I'm not the dude with the banana in the tailpipe. I don't, you know, I have my flaws, and that's what I'm going to present to you. I'm not going to do all this dumb performative shit. So what I'm gonna do in this video, this intro video, I'm gonna say, hey y'all, listen, this is who I am. You're gonna see a lot of videos from me. You're gonna see a lot of information from me coming through the website, and a lot of it is gonna be centered around marketing and coaching. Those are my two strengths, right? And so what I'm gonna do, use my new website. Let me show you my website. I've been working on this thing. This thing has actually been sitting for a while. Been sitting dormant, just waiting for me to kind of like get to it, because I've been working on these projects. Some of these projects, man, they've taken me, like this project here, it's taken me over 2 years working on that thing, dude. That's my largest project. Hopefully that'll be the one that actually propels me into the role of, you know, founder and VC, because that project is centered on I guess solutions that help people bring their solutions to fruition. It's a business platform. It's a business marketing platform. But the walkthrough videos for that thing got almost 25 videos. No, over 25 videos. I've got 3 new brands. Those 2 brands there, they come up under that project. It's crazy. So let me get to my script, right? So, hey, what's up? And welcome to an intro for my new online persona, IMMC. As you can see, I've got my brand behind me. That's IMMC. Okay. IMMC is both an abbreviation for my name and an acronym for my brand. Seeing as how this representation is online, IMMC equates to iMarket Marvin Cummings. Right? So iMarket Marvin Cummings. So I am Marvin Cummings, right? See? IMMC. But that acronym also represents mentoring, marketing, and coaching services offered under my company, the iMarket Network LLC. So I have a company that I created called the iMarket Network LLC earlier this year. And basically, that company is a transition or a pivot from IT, which I spent the last 10, 15 years doing. So I used to do heavy IT, more like systems administration, infrastructure design, that kind of stuff, and switched over. And once I let it go, I got into marketing. And so these solutions and these ideas, they're all centered around marketing. So I can use the technical back end, you know, as necessary, but when needed. But these solutions, they all have a marketing premise to them. So that's what I realized. That's something I realized about myself when I started working on these ideas, is that, you know, they're not tech focused ideas. You know, they're not like little apps that you create and upload in the app stores and you want people to download and you generate revenue through their activity. No, these are actual solutions that center on the creation of ideas. You realize what your purpose is. You realize what you're built to do. It's like some people are just built to build, and that's what I used to do in IT. I can build you. I can build your infrastructure out. And so, like, with these ideas, that's basically what they are. They are ideas that help you build your ideas. Because what I realized is that people don't know what you're sitting on. Like some of these ideas, like I didn't know when I started working on this platform here, the American Veteran, or I didn't know how in depth I would need to be when it came to in terms of that idea. You're talking about taking something as simple as an idea that was supposed to help military veterans, right? Because I'm an Army veteran. You realize, well, you can't just focus on military veterans, and you have to break it out into military and civilians. And then you get into the idea that, well, you know, you got to always support the youth, right? And so now you got a youth initiative under that. And then I'm a man of color, so why wouldn't I seek to build out platforms and services that actually help to, you know, uplift and empower people of color? You see what I'm saying? So like that scaling, that growth, I mean, of that idea from just a simple idea to this, like I said, it's crazy. And if you don't really understand the concept of marketing is not just about, hey, look at this shiny new product that I just built that's going to cost you $15,000. No, it's really about the idea that can actually motivate other people, right? That idea can motivate other people to engage with that idea. So, and then it's how you promote that idea. But the purpose of that idea, the intent of that idea, and the development of that's a precious process, and it takes a while for people if you've never really delved deep into an idea. And that's one thing I hadn't known. You know, I can hey, you need something, I can build a PC, I can build your website. But then beyond that, it's like the next steps. The hard work comes after you build that website. So back to the brand, IMMC. IMMC, like I said, marketing and coaching services offered through the company. My company, the iMarket Network. So iMarket marketing, iMarket coaching, iMarket support, right? That's the company, and there's a website. And for some reason, even though I have it in the script, hold on for a second, let me see. Yeah, so I don't know why I didn't have the website open, but yeah, iMarket Network, right? So the iMarket Network, and then basically iMarket platforms and services, coaching, brand, marketing, application, media and television programming, iMarket coaching, iMarket marketing, right? iMarket TV. So there's a lot that I do under the iMarket brand. And so whenever, back to my website here, iMarket, that's what I'm saying. iMarket marketing, iMarket coaching, iMarket support. Or also, IMMC means I'm marketing, right? I'm marketing like this. I'm marketing the American Veteran. I market the American Veteran. You know what I'm saying? I'm coaching the American Veteran. The American Veteran is the individual. That's the individual. So that IMMC brand is actually, it's not just confined to some type of individualized acronym. It actually has a lot of different meanings to it. So if you ever see it, you can be IMMC, you can be marketing, you can be coaching. Can you do what I'm saying? So think of it as more of a brand acronym. So back to my personal website, this thing has just been sitting for a while. I've had it built, but the thing about it, it sits under the American Veteran, because like I told you, the American Veteran is an actual platform that's designed to help you bring ideas. Well, I needed a place where I can go to actually talk about those ideas. So that's what my personal website is going to do. When you come to the personal website, you're going to see basically a video of each one of the projects that I'm working on. And at the present time of me doing this, October the 19th, I've got, what's the date? October 18th? October the 18th. Yeah, I've got some 15 projects. And these are all done. I just got to create videos. I got to create little short mini videos like I'm doing now and add them to the homepage. But this project here, the American Veteran, like I said, I'm 2 years to build that thing, man. This is going to be a news slider. So I create a post. That's where the post is going to show up right there. And then I've got the basics, the links. And then I've got top level links that's going to go to different things like my platform. I have a membership component built in for the marketing coaching, like excuse me, you need some help, you yourself trying to get to your next level, well, I can help you out. Excuse me, I'm really settled on my price, but I think I've got it something like $15, and we can talk, we can get online and Zoom and, you know, talk about your ideas. And if it's a business or an individual based, I mean, my emphasis really is on helping individuals. I mean, I don't care who you are, if you're a man, if you're a woman, even if you're a kid, I can give you a business project you can work on right now. And that business project is going to help you learn how to become an online marketer. I'm going to take you through the steps. And, you know, that's going to be one of my campaigns too. Like I need people who I need to generate leads for the iMarket network, right? So, you know, give away business. I'm going to give away a business. So when I say I need to generate leads, if you're sitting at home right now, if you ain't got an online business, everybody should be working on an online marketing business. I don't care who you are. Everybody should have at least one website they're working on. And on that website, they're trying to figure out how to sell a product or how to, you know, generate interest in an idea. That's everybody. I don't care who you are. So if you ain't doing that, I'm going to help you doing that. That's going to be the standard in terms of my efforts. My efforts is definitely about, like I said, centered around some form of, hold on, I've got that written out somewhere. So this particular version of the website places emphasis on ideas I've been able to convert into actual living projects. This has been a long time coming, as a lot of these projects are centered around wealth creation. Some function as solutions and systems capable of helping others to change their lives, right? So my purpose, as it may seem, is centered on developing solutions which contribute to the personal growth of others. I think I read that earlier. Damn, see, I'm getting old. Anyway, so the website, it isn't that complicated. Like, that's what I was saying. So keep it minimal in terms of, I don't want you drifting too far like I do. My offers, like I've got a new offer here. This is a coaching exercise that I'm going to get you to take. And this coaching exercise is free. You'll take that coaching exercise, and then it's going to lead you to another exercise, which is also free. Another exercise, which is free, that's going to help you figure out your goals. You're going to document your goals. And then you're going to end up understanding how to figure out what your purpose is, right? So that's what I want you to do. Before you get to the American Veteran, you're going to need to at least have done these 3 exercises. And what they're going to do is they're going to take you from figuring out what your life values are to figuring out what's in your environment that's keeping you from, you know, moving forward and living your best life, and then documenting your goals. And then once you get your goals documented, you're going to understand your purpose, and then your purpose will help you build that project that I just told you I'm going to give you. So everybody gets a project in the American Veteran, and then that project is going to help you become, not only, it's going to actually activate other projects that you need to be working on that you can grow into. So I feel good about that. Hopefully you'll find interest in my content and take a minute to check out some of my projects. They really are designed to change lives. Stay tuned, as I have a ton more content coming your way. It's my fake smile. Let me see. I'm not going to go into some monologue about who I am. That's the bulk of that info is readily available on the About page. I've got an About page right there. And so on that About page, I've got the basics. I've got a video. There's a walkthrough video. That's me there. I'm MC. I keep all the basic stuff there. Let me see. That's my little video there. I don't talk on that video. It's just more music and background. Origin, all that information. Me as a child, handsome little devil. Me, military veteran. Desert Storm. That's me having just arrived into Kuwait. Yeah, we rode all night from Riyadh into Kuwait. APC driver, and some my blog posts, which I haven't really done a lot of yet. So the site is simple. This intro post is just to be an intro of who I am. So when you see my mug on the video, you know, don't run from it. All right. So again, I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me. I'll see you soon. Bye. Let me see.